Ready? Go get it.
I don't think he can get dizzy. I don't know.
Ready? Still have your bucket. I can lean back into it.
He thinks he's ferocious. He's really not. Okay, now, remember, stand up. It goes up.
Drop it.
Yeah, this is what we get for not taking him to the dog park for a couple days because Pepper just got neutered and we couldn't go. It's, what time is it now? Oh, no. It's 10 and he wants to play that. That was her, not Lloyd. Lloyd does belch, but not like that. There they go into the abyss. Will they return? Intrepid adventurers went into the black hole. Oh, and there they are! Well, one of them anyways. Ah, there she is! I don't know why he likes that.
He stumbles over all the time though. He's a little dizzy, buddy. Ready? She's got a good grip. She's making him spin in circles.
Gotta be glad when Pepper's healed and we can go back to the dog park every night. Watch out, he's gonna pounce off that step onto you.
It's your toy. It's your toy. It's your toy.
Back up a bit and get real down low and see if he'll pounce off the step at you. Just watch out. Not quite a pounce. You gotta do it further back. Give him room to do. Now move back like you're bouncing away from him. He's thinking about it. See, there he goes. A little bounce.
That's fun. Yeah, he's trying to push me away with his paw.
I don't know if he's more of a moose or a tigger.
Moose. Because he has big dangling legs.
Yeah.
He's tired.
Yeah, he is. Pounce like...
Holy crap.
Yeah, don't let him not play with hands. No play with hands.
Here, go.
Just pets with hands.
Yeah.